Welcome to the Minor Living Education Lab. This is a short introduction to give you an idea of what the minor is about, what you will learn, and what is the way we work in the minor. The minor is a joint activity from Leiden, Delft, and Rotterdam Erasmus University, and we bring together different perspectives. But what is it about? What the minor basically brings together is the knowledge and skills to understand and look at human learning and how these human learning experiences in today's world are connected with technology and new ways of teaching and learning. And you should have an interest on the one hand in new technologies, new media for learning, and what human learning is and how we can make it better, more efficient, more enjoyable, and so on. So it's, as said, a cooperation between different perspectives coming from teacher education, doing educational research to understand innovations and how they enhance human learning, and disrupting innovation for a better tomorrow. And these are the main partners and coaches and experts that will guide you in the process. So what will you learn? Of course, as a basis, we start with how does human learning work, and how can we enhance these processes? And there is a variety of methods and ways how you do this, from good teaching to good practicing, and technologies can be used in different ways, and different technologies are appropriate to enhance these processes. So you will learn about the in and outs of several technologies as mobile, augmented reality, data, artificial intelligence, and so on. And you will learn how to choose and learn about the main affordances of these technologies. Does this work? Why does this work? Probably you can even use several and combine technologies. And you will design solutions to existing real-world challenges in education. So you will be creative. Basically, our challenges do not have one solution, but you have multiple possible solutions. So it's important that you really dive into experience, understand the problem, ideate solutions, and develop them and see if they actually work and do what you hypothesize. So how will we do that? We work basically in 2 iterations. And we follow a design thinking approach. In the first iteration, you will learn about the basic technologies, how they are used, and how you structure learning outcomes. What are the typical didactical and pedagogical approaches behind? And you will work and develop solutions based on worked out examples. So you get a scaffold first, you see also what the experts have done, and you can use this as a guidance. And in the second iteration, you will work on your own problem together with stakeholders from one of the faculties of the 3 universities. Groups will work together, you will have experts on dedicated topics, and work with the challenge owners from the faculties you work with. The interesting point is that the minor is really a simulation of what you later will have to do in a lot of situations in professional life. Going from clearly defining a problem, setting a goal and objective, reflecting on your solution, iterating it further, defining how you will iterate, and very important, also work in interdisciplinary teams. So it's not always the same mindset. You will come from different perspectives. And education is typically an area where you cannot succeed when only coming from one perspective, but you have to integrate multiple perspectives and disciplines to build effective and efficient and good solutions. So core competences we see that you can gain from this is really design effective solutions in iterations, work with stakeholders, and you do that in 2 stages, first on worked examples and then on real complex problems from the faculties in the three universities. And we consider that failing is not only an option, but failing and learning from failure is a key component of a process and of the design process in the minor. So if you got interested, subscribe today. You find more information on the URL, and we hope to see you in the LDE-CEL minor.